Devil and Jesus on your shoulder, and you're just in the middle, being a human being. Mental alchemy. Mental alchemy. Mental alchemy. What up, what up, what up, my people? Dream Wise here for another one. The elements. Broken.
You know who I am. You don't know where I am. And you'll never see me coming.
When we talk about the elements, we're talking about a creation story. We're speaking on the transmutation of these properties to make up life itself. But there's a deeper, more hidden side to these components. The metaphysical side to these things beyond the physical. States of mind. States of mind. States of mind. But let's start with this creation story, as these elemental properties are all transmuted to each other to manifest itself. Let's start with earth. Earth turns into water as the land gets wasted away. Water evaporates into air, and then air, when defined, is changed into fire. These steps don't only work in that order, they also go backwards. Fire dying out turns into air. Air can be pressed into water, and water can be infused to turn back to earth again. Let's bring this into an occult understanding. Satan, get behind me. Satan, get behind me. Satan, get behind me.
I have absolutely no idea what's going on.
For the devil and Christ are the same thing. You are literally going from hell to heaven and back down again.
Knock, knock!
Like you're on a roller coaster. But we're not speaking for some moral dogma idea. What I'm speaking on is your own divine mind.
Message!
Your destructive nature against yourself and constructive nature to yourself. Ego and spirit. Devil and Jesus on your shoulder, and you're just in the middle, being a human being. So in this creation story, like and like are the same. There's no such thing as good or bad, right or wrong, and you're just battling or fighting within you. Yes, you, your own universe. So with that being said, moving into the creation of it all, these elements, we must understand that these elements have an underlying life to them. Earth, physical, manifestation, nurturer. Water, emotions, emoting, flow. Fire, passion, transformation, inspiration. Air, mental, communication, thinker. There is one more element that you move with, and that is the encompassing energy of your being. It's your autonomous nature that puts you in the line of your vision. We call it spirit, but there's another name for it. Subconscious mind. Dream Wise.